Does your enterprise need to erase files or folders that contain sensitive images or documents without destroying all the other data on the drive during the process? For PCs and laptops, moving one or more files or folders into the recycle bin and then emptying it is not a viable solution, as data is easily recoverable. Files only appear to disappear because the operating system does not show them. Deleting files and folders from servers is a similarly inadequate process. So how do you truly sanitize this sensitive data? The only way to guarantee your data is permanently removed is to use software that erases individual files and folders securely while leaving the rest of your data untouched. To ensure complete data sanitization, this software must also include verification and certification that the erasure has been a success. This provides you with a full audit trail for security and compliance purposes. When choosing a file erasure tool, ensure that the tool is flexible enough to fit your busy enterprise environment. For example, you may want to choose a solution that easily integrates with your existing programs to deploy MSI packages for silent installations onto any machine. This can help you enforce your organization's data retention policies with scheduled automated erasure. Get your free trial of Blanco's file eraser software today to get started with the world's most secure file sanitization.